Welcome to Mooney Farms, home of Bella and Luci premium sun-dried tomato products. I'm here today, Mary Mooney, with my son Mark, and we are going to announce the winners of the 2018 recipe contest.
So this year we saw a record number of entries, and along with the traditional Italian recipes that we received, we saw a large increase in innovative infusion of flavors that made a lot of the recipes really exciting. So without further ado, we'll get started with third place.
So our third place winner took some interesting ingredients that we don't typically put together, mango and sun-dried tomato, and created kind of an amazing salsa which went on top of a flank steak which had been marinated overnight in our carne asada meat marinade. So congratulations to Octavio Flores for our third place winner.
So our second place winner is a traditional Italian meal, and what I really enjoyed about this is how simple it is. It really is a one-pot dinner, and it is a stuffed chicken breast with cream cheese and spinach, topped with a sun-dried tomato Parmesan cream sauce. So congratulations, Stevie Lacy.
And our first place winner was a sun-dried tomato fish taco. What we really liked about this recipe is it brought a lot of innovation and flavor, which we don't always see. The elements of the taco all had sun-dried tomatoes in it, and each element had a completely different flavor. So first, the foundation was a nice healthy avocado mash with sun-dried tomatoes. Then we had a nice white flaky fish sauteed in the olive oil from sun-dried tomatoes, so it was infused. And that fish was topped with sun-dried tomatoes on the mash, finished with a sweet sun-dried tomato smoky chipotle sauce.
And don't forget that it was topped with a bacon crumble.
Well, of course, and everyone loves bacon. And what we really liked again is that she used sun-dried tomatoes in all three parts of the recipe.
So congratulations to our first place winner, Areli Biggers.
And thank you again for all the wonderful entries. We just loved cooking them. And we look forward to all the entries to come for our next recipe contest 2019.
Which is already open, so start applying.
And don't forget to keep watching our social media outlets because we will have an honorable mention every month, and your recipe might just be the winner, and you will receive a wonderful gift pack of all of our beautiful Bella and Luci sun-dried tomato gifts.
So congratulations once again to all of our winners, and don't forget to submit your recipes for next year's contest.